Welcome, y'all. We're here down here in Texas. We're about to unbox the iPhone 7 Plus Texas style. Paperwork, doesn't hurt nothing. Okay. Good old headphones here. That's crap. Got the little adapter. We need this here. Power up. Good thing to plug in the wall. Good plastic. It's a junky box. It's good old paperwork. Like we can read that in Chinese. Alright, got the sawdust good on there. Turn this bad boy on. Jet black, 256. Got some smudges going on this bad boy. Alright, that was the unboxing Texas style of iPhone 7 Plus. Check back for more unboxing Texas style. Thanks for watching.